different from disease. Why can't you see? The poor will never get help off their knees. Only when we die do we get to escape from this hell. Oh, oh. Fly me overseas, I wanna feel the breeze. Only then I'll die in peace. I just wanna feel at ease. Yeah. I just wanna try anything to escape from this hell. Oh, oh. Hell, oh, oh. These pussies carry 9 lives. I'm that nigga walking down the street with 9 knives. Yeah. I'm the type to switch my strap up when I change moods. Yeah. You the type to switch your ties up with the same crew you spoke about. Look 'em in his eyes before you kill your brother for some clout. Say you from the struggle, but you don't know what you talking about. Half these motherfuckers don't live what the fuck they rap about. Yeah, yeah. Half these motherfuckers don't live what the fuck they rap about. Do you believe human life is different from disease? Why can't you see? The poor will never get help off their knees. Only when we die do we get to escape from this hell. Oh, oh. Fly me overseas, I wanna feel the breeze. Only then I'll die in peace. I just wanna feel at ease. Yeah. I just wanna try anything to escape from this hell. Oh, oh. Hell, oh, oh. Yeah.
TuMaggz is out of here.
No, it's a play, bitch. The sharpest of knives, I pull it out quick and I swing at your face, bitch. No strap on my side, I just got the steel and I'm giving out facelifts. Yeah, yeah. I'm so fucking high, spark up the torch and take off like a spaceship. Just give me some space, bitch. I don't wanna waste it. So I'm working a lot, but an hour's not good enough. It's 7 o'clock, ain't no time for the case. So I'm scraping the clock, got your bitch in the Chevy, I'm smashing her box. Spend the whole wreck of the day, yeah. You ain't got nothing to see, yeah. Crashing my whip off the side of a bridge and I take my soul down to the bay, yeah.